In this video I will explain to you how you can blur the background in CapCut on PC. Right now on my timeline I'm having a video footage, and the first thing I need to do is I need to click on the effects, and then I'm gonna scroll down just a tiny bit until I find this blur. I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna leave it over my video footage, and now all of my footage is blurred. On my right side I can choose to decrease and increase the values of the amount of blur that I wish to have. I'm leaving the values of blur to 15, and then I'm going back on my media. Then I'm grabbing the same video footage that I have just previously uploaded, and I'm leaving it on video slot number 2. Then I'm highlighting it and going to cutout, and then I'm selecting auto cutout. That way I'm gonna mask the person, and that way I'm gonna see only the background that is blurred. Now I'm gonna disable the first track so you can see that on my second track is just the person, and on the first track is just the background, which is already blurred. If you want to decrease or increase the values of blur, you can select the first track, the first media, then go back again on the right side, you can select basics, then select the pencil next to the tool, and from there you can choose the values of blur on which you want to have on your video. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.